everyone, welcome to Luxe DIY. In today's video, we're going to be making this bougie, fancy tissue box. I guess it's kind of like bougie bathroom decor, but we layered it with like kind of a plaid pattern with this sparkly tape and then the gold one, and then just embellished it with these acrylic gems, which we use in a lot of our videos. But if you enjoyed today's video, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel for more future videos.
For my materials, I have some acrylic gems. They come in this little box with all sorts of sizes and variations. And I purchased these at Michael's for $10.99. You can use a 40% off coupon. And I'm going to be using like a medium-sized gold one today. And I also have a ruler, which I will use to measure out the lines on our tissue box. I have some E6000 glue with a thin jewelry nozzle and a Sharpie to mark off where my stones are going to be. And I'm also going to use some Elmer's glue and some Q-tips to be able to pick up my stones. I have some decorative duct tape. And then finally we have our tissue box, which I sprayed this cream color with this brand of spray paint here. Now I'm going to take my ruler and measure out the middle of the box on every single side and then dot it with the Sharpie. So this is where I'm going to place my first pieces of tape on the middle dots that I previously marked. Now I'm going to measure about 1 centimeter on each side of the gold tape, and then I'm going to place some sparkly tape there. To cut off the excess tape over the top, we're going to carefully use an X-Acto knife to get around the edging. Now we're going to measure the middle of the box again, only this time we're going to make our horizontal stripes of tape on the tissue box. Now we're going to embellish our tissue box, but first I'm going to use the ruler to mark out exactly where I want each stone to go, and I'm going to start by marking the corners of the boxes. I'm going to be using Elmer's glue and a Q-tip to pick up my stones, and then I'm going to use E6000 glue with a thin jewelry nozzle to make small beads of glue along my marked spots. I'm going to be using a ruler as I finish each portion of the box to straighten out my line of stones.